Hi, good evening. Welcome to Suman Vlogs. Today I'm in Chennai. I just came here for last 3 days for work, official work. I was little bit busy with my work. I'm unable to connect with you all. Today I would like to show you a beautiful hotel which is in centrally located in Chennai. Which is I used to stay every time when I came here. Every time I used to stay in this hotel. So it's a beautiful hotel Emirates Residency, which is centrally located in Chennai. It's just 500 meter from Chennai Central Chennai Central Bus Station, and it is just 12 kilometer from airport and 5 kilometer from Egmore railway station, and then 7 kilometer from Central Railway Station. So just have a look at the hotel, how beautiful it is. This is the entrance. You can see this is the entrance. Outside there is a traffic is going on, and this is a waiting area. How beautiful it is, very beautiful. And this is a reception desk. We have a very good manager over here. He is Mr. Pandian, very friendly man, well cooperated, so he will guide you in all the aspects. He just went out. Yeah, so he is Mr. Pandian. Just say hello, Pandian.
Hi, sir.
Yes, so he's a very good manager over here. He will guide you and help you, support you on the way, right? And this is a restaurant. I will just see in the restaurant. It's a well hygiened and well maintained restaurant. Everything is well maintained, well hygiened in this particular conditions of COVID, and the sanitization is going on very frequently. It's a very spacious, beautiful, good restaurant. The food is available round the clock. This is a spacious. The building contains 3 floors. They have more than 45 to 50 rooms, and this is the lift. So let's go and see in the room now. And this is the staircase. Let's see, the lift is coming. We'll go and check in the room once. Yes, you can see this is first floor. Yeah, you can see the AC is available in the room, and this is a bed. So you will have a table to sit and you can do your work. And this is a wardrobe. And you have a TV, right? Additional desk and chair, right? And let's see the bathroom. Very clean and neat. The bathroom is washroom is very clean and neat. Then you can see the water, very clean and neat water. So this is one of the good hotel, well hygiene maintained, the sanitization frequent sanitization before check-ins and check-outs. So overall it's a very good hotel, so you can come and stay, and it's centrally located in 500 meters away to Chennai Central bus station, private and government bus station. So then 12 kilometers from airport, and then just 5 kilometers from Egmore, and 7 kilometers from Chennai Central station. You can come stay here, and the tariff is also very economical, and you can ask for the discount also. Thank you. Hotel is available in online, so you can check in the Google. It is available, Emirate Residency, Chennai. The manager name is Pandian. I'll post his number also here. Yes, so he is Mr. Pandian. Manager over here is a very nice person. He will assist you 24 hours and 365 days. You can call and come. There is some discount also they will give.
Pandian, I am from the Hotel Emirates Residency Manager. So my number is 9710128057. If you need anything, you can call me anytime, 24/7. Any help also will do.